Hi guys, I'm Bhavya. I'm a UGC content creator and I recently started documenting my UGC journey here on YouTube. I have already shared how I got my first collaboration and how to create your UGC portfolio from scratch. Today we are talking about the next big question, how to actually found the collaborations. This place I use is literally Instagram. I look for the pages that work with small creators, like the brands that work with small creators about makeup, skincare and beauty products. So personally मैं सबसे पहले ब्रांड का टैग रीपोस्टेड सेक्शन देखती हूँ ताकि मैं वहां से देख सकती हूँ कि उन्होंने क्रिएटर्स के साथ कर रखे हैं जिनकी कोई ज्यादा ह्यूज फॉलोइंग नहीं है, सो वो एक टाइप से होप या एक चांस हो सकता है कि शायद वो स्मॉल क्रिएटर्स के साथ भी काम कर सकते हैं। देन उसके बाद मैं उनका बायो चेक करती हूँ कि उन्होंने कोई कोलैबोरेशन के लिए मेल वगैरह या कुछ फॉर्म्स वगैरह या इंफॉर्मेशन वगैरह अपने बायो में दे रखे हैं नहीं। पर सबसे बड़ी बात, डोंट जस्ट डीएम देम कोलैब। It's the stupid thing you will ever do. There is a proper way how to pitch a brand. Introduce yourself properly. Brand को बताइए आप किस तरीके का content create करते हैं, and most importantly, tell them what you can create for them. The one that helped me a lot was the PR and collab groups. Actually, this tells that how the creators share the PR forms, the opportunities, tell you about the open campaigns that the brand is work with you. It is so easy that you can fill the form and you can get the collaboration. Maybe you get shortlisted and you get the opportunity to work with them. It's a huge help. Like I was starting, तो मैं बहुत सारे PR forms भरती थी, मैंने बहुत सारे groups join किए थे, and it was the best decision. Like I got the PRs, but the most importantly, don't fill every form you see. ऐसे blindly कुछ भी मत फिल करो। कभी तुमने उसकी ये सबसे पहले चेक करो कि वो ब्रांड क्या है, उसकी डिलीवरीज क्या है, एंड एक्चुअली दैट कोलैबोरेशन सूट्स यू। ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ भी फिल कर रहे हो फिर बाद में रिग्रेट करो। सो टेक द डिसीजन वाइजली। द फॉर्म यू आर फिलिंग, इफ the brand is asking to give the video in 2 days, then you have to work for that. So if you're not comfortable in doing something that's it, then don't fill the form. Other thing I do is pay attention to every creators, like what collaboration they are doing. I particularly note down that brand। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं उनको कह रही हूँ कि तुम भी वही सेम कॉपी करके ब्रांड्स को बेवकूफ बनाओ, ऐसा नहीं है। आई जस्ट नोट डाउन द पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड्स दैट they are ready to work with the small creators and micro creators, and we can create an opportunity and make something that we can create. Like, you can give the deliveries to the brands, like you can create the magic, that you have the talent, that's why you started this journey. There's some the most important part, pitching. Yes, probably you have sent so many messages and get ignored. With me, even I get ignored too. And this happens with everyone, like, but make sure you are sending a relevant pitching. Like, make sure that you are pitching the right brand and in the right way. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही मैसेज सारी जगह कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहे हो। ऐसा नहीं होता है। ब्रांड्स को पहले समझना पड़ता है। ब्रांड्स को एक रेलेवेंट पिचिंग चाहिए होती है। उनको आपकी पूरी लाइफ स्टोरी नहीं समझनी है, उनको सिर्फ आपको कंटेंट देखना है, आप उनके लिए क्या कर सकते हो, बस उनको वही देखना है। सो पिचिंग कैन बी लाइक, हाय आई एम अ यूजीसी क्रिएटर, आई कैन क्रिएट दिस फॉर यू, दिस इज माय कंटेंट, दिस इज माय पेज, जस्ट चेक इट। यस, दे वांट लिटरली दिस। They don't want to hear that how many brands you have collaborated with and something like that. No, just want to see that what you can create for them and for their products. And something I really want to say this to every creator. You don't need thousands of followers to start your UGC journey. You just need some creativity, some interest, and some to create something new. A content creation means to create something new. That doesn't mean you will get every opportunity, every collab that your dream collab, but that's the beauty of starting something. You will get rejected, you will get ignored, and might you will send 10 pitches and you will hear nothing. But that's the point, genuinely the part of starting. The biggest tip is that जिस भी ब्रांड पे पिच करो इसकी एक लिस्ट बनाओ। नहीं तो तुम इतने ब्रांड्स को पिच कर दोगे, मे बी उन्होंने किस तरीके के रिप्लाई किए हैं। जस्ट ट्रैक योर जर्नी। अगर नहीं नोट डाउन करना है, कोई अच्छे से बैठ के ऐसे नहीं बनाना है, तो नोट पैड पे नोट डाउन करो। मतलब अपनी जर्नी का एक ट्रैक रखो। ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम सेम गलती बार बार कर दो। ऐसे जब तक तुम अपनी गलती से नहीं सीखोगे तुम नया नहीं क्रिएट कर पाओगे। अगर तुम मेरा पेज जाओगे, इंस्टा पे खोलोगे, जस्ट सी माई जर्नी, हाउ मच आई हैव इम्प्रूव, हाउ मच थिंग्स आई हैव चेंज इन माई पेज, लाइक सी द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड नाउ वेयर आई एम ऑल्सो स्मॉल क्रिएटर। मुझे भी इतना टाइम नहीं हुआ है कि मैं अपना को बड़ा क्रिएटर बोल सकती हूँ, बट आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम माई मिस्टेक, आई एम इम्प्रूविंग। सी, दिस इज अ लाइफ वेयर यू ओनली इम्प्रूव. You learn new things daily. I learned many things. I see brands, how to create hooks, how to make my video engaging, like how people will comment on my videos. So yes, you have to wait, you have to keep the patient, you have to try to channel. So those are the main ways how I am finding my UGC collaboration. And trust me, I'm not saying that I have got and figured out everything. I am also learning with you guys. Like, this is the journey we will build together. We will help each other. See, content creation is all about helping each other to create something and to make people realize that they have the ability to do something. See, this is the world where social media has grown so much. I am just sharing what actually worked for me, how my journey went from a certain point to this point. I have also not, like, achieved everything in my life. I have, maybe I have done one to paid collaboration. Even I have not done many paid collaboration. Maybe I'm from last 2 months I haven't received any barter collaboration, but that doesn't mean I have to stop. There, when there is a will, there will be a way. I will create. I love creating content. I love to create. I love to edit, and that's what makes me feel special about my page, about my content. And please subscribe to my channel because you're also pregnant. We are going to figure out this together. So please subscribe to my channel. And maybe in next video, I will tell you guys how I actually pitch the brands. I will add the screenshots and everything and the template of the emails I send it to brands, and even might send you some like help that whom which brands you have to make. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this complete video. And if you like my video, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.